Everybody, welcome back to the channel. You guys, it has been a heck of a week. We have been buried at work. We have hay down in the fields this week. First cutting of hay, first crop coming in. My neighbor, who I share crop the hay fields with, smashed into one of my horse fences, ripped up and tore down a ton of fence, and didn't tell me about it. Thankfully, my horses didn't get loose, but another neighbor was like, "Oh, did you know you have fence down?" And I was like, "What?" 2 hours later, I have it 80% fixed, and the horses shouldn't get loose, but it's been a week, and we have a lot of mail to go through. So today we have Heaven Panty. This is my June single panty that comes from Heaven Panty. It's $10 a month. You earn the equivalent in credit in their store. It comes in this, which is very nicely eco-friendly, recyclable. Let's see what I got. So they do a little quiz, ask you some questions. Obviously, they ask you about your sizing. They ask you what you like. And you get a panty every month. I just do a single panty. All right, so here we go. Comes like this. I did use credit this time, guys. And I ordered a second set of panties. So I got 2 this month. And yeah, I don't know. We'll figure out what I ordered. I'm pretty sure this is the one I ordered because I think I ordered a pair in black. Because you guys, you get credit. You get the equivalent credit every month, and I have not been using my credit. So I kind of was like, I should probably use my credit because at some point I'm going to stop this subscription because I'm getting enough panties on board. I can't keep getting a million panties. Y'all know I also get panties from Splendies. So I'm getting pretty stocked up. I'm able to get rid of a lot of my old ones. And yeah, I mean, I try not to hoard panties. I know some people do, but I don't. So this should be the ordered pair, and I think I tried to order the same set, the same style, whatever you want to call it, as I got last month, and I will link that video, you guys. I do have a playlist. It is my women's panties subscriptions. It's all of the Splendies unbaggings, and it's also all of the Heaven Panties unbaggings I've been doing. So, this was not what I was expecting when I ordered it. Okay. Maybe these other ones are... This might be the monthly ones, guys, because I would not have ordered those. Okay, I think this is the monthly subscription. Hopefully the other bag is more of what I was thinking was coming and what I ordered. Oh, yeah. I definitely did not order these. These are the monthly subscription ones. I try not to order stuff that's super duper see-through. And these are super duper see-through. They're super cute, but wow, are they see-through? You can see their little tag. It says Heaven Panty on it. I mean, these are really, really cute, but yeah, I don't know. You know, years ago, I'd really like these. Now I'm kind of like, really? The elastic on the waistband, I really like. It does have a little bow right in the front, which is cute. Not necessary, but has the cotton panel where it needs to be. And sides look really nice. There's some nice elastic. I mean, these look really well made, you guys. So I'm happy about that. Not really my style. Let me know what you think. And let's see if these are what I was expecting. And hopefully I ordered the correct ones. Because I don't think those other ones were what I ordered. I think those... Hopefully not. I do like black underwear, though. Because I wear a lot of black slacks to work. So I do like that. Is this gonna, like, open for me? Ooh, having some trouble, y'all. Didn't have as much trouble in the last set. Maybe I cut it too close to the... I did. Wow. There we go. We got it. Alright, these hopefully are, like, the same as what I got last month. Nope. Oh, I did not order these. These would be the ones that they sent. You guys, I've never told them I want thong. Oh my god. Thong. Yeah, not me. I have never asked for thong. I definitely would not have ordered these. So, let's see what size these are. Is it going to tell me? Anybody want these? I hate these. I will never wear these. I will guarantee you I will never wear these. MSRP $15. Is there a size somewhere? Says they're 2XL. I don't know. They don't really look 2XL. They're super stretchy, though. Y'all. Otherwise, I'll donate them. Honestly, I'll donate them to a women's shelter. They need underwear. You know, women that are getting out of a domestic situation and are basically on the run, they get out of their house in a hurry, they need things like socks and underwears and bras and clothes. So I could do that too. So yeah, not what I was expecting. So that's cute. My guess is that'll come off in the laundry, but yeah, not my thing. I am no longer a thong girl, and I know, you know, no shade in the ladies who are. I just, y'all, with as active as I am, it's just not my thing. So I do appreciate their black. Apparently these are the ones I ordered, and that is not what I thought I ordered. I don't remember ordering something that looked like that. Whatever. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. The only thing I'm excited about is their black. Other than that, neither one of them is anything I'm particularly thrilled about. So might be time for me to put this one to bed, keep up with Splendies another month or two, and then call it quits. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. I get it. You know, some people, I get it. Some people like this stuff, and that's fine. I mean, I might wear these. I don't know. I don't like all the see-through. Not my thing. All right. I hope you guys are having a good week. I do have a ton more mail, so I have a lot more videos to make. Excuse my appearance, you guys. I literally just was out between getting home late from work, from a long day at work, working extra hours, feeding the horses, turning them out on grass, and then realizing I had to spend 2 hours fixing fence. Everything's running late tonight, so I threw on a hat, threw on some lipstick. Yeah, I was out fixing fence with some makeup on. Didn't have the lippy on, but I put that on for you guys. It's my Trixie. I love it. I love this color. But apologies for what's probably getting to be a little dirty after all the fixing of the fence. But I hope you guys are having a good one. And like I said, lots more videos coming. And I'll see you guys in the next one, all right? Bye-bye.